So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text size on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and type in text size like this, if you were to go ahead and highlight your text right here, there's this top bar. You can go ahead and increase it if you want. You can go ahead and decrease it if you want. You can also type in a custom number if you want as well. So if you want like 67 font, you can press that and it's right here. Another way you can do that if it's not appearing right here for you is to go to where it says format under text right here, and where it says size, you can go ahead and increase the font size or decrease it, or you can go ahead and press Command Shift and plus. So if I were to go ahead and press Command Shift and plus right here, you can go ahead and actually, in this case, it actually zooms in my screen a little bit. If I were to go ahead this way, I can zoom out of my screen a little bit, but if you just want to go ahead and increase the size, the simplest way is to go ahead this way, or go into format here, press on text, press on size, and then increase font size that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can increase or decrease or just overall edit text size here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.